The immune system shields the body against pathogens by means of T cells. The T cells recognize and attack intruders that enter the body. What's different about human immunodeficiency virus or HIV is that they go for the T cells of the body, turning them into factories that make more copies of themselves, killing the T cells in the process. Without treatment, it takes 8 years on average for a person to exhibit the signs that their HIV has progressed into AIDS, or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. By that time there aren't sufficient number of T cells to sustain or eliminate any sort of pathological infection. This is what's deadly about the HIV. You are essentially vulnerable to all sorts of infectious diseases. HIV is transmitted through blood contact with another infected, through unprotected sex, used syringes, and childbirth. In 1981, a sudden surge of gay men developing unusual symptoms began popping up around the globe. The patients suffered from rare forms of skin cancer, pneumonia and thrush, with few survivors. Though HIV is transmissible to all genders, the general public still had prejudices against homosexuality, which made funding for research extremely difficult. As more people are getting infected, the best preventative measures was safe sex, as condoms kept the virus from infecting others. Blood banks also began testing blood. And clean needles are also distributed to those who are taking drugs. In 1987, the first treatment of HIV was released. It kept the virus from multiplying and destroying the host's immune system. Starting treatment early, people with HIV can now live long, healthy lives. Though not all accessible, as there are still a majority of infected in sub-Saharan Africa who die from complications of HIV. As medical sciences progress, hopefully in the future a cure will be made. Until then, get tested, donate and support research, and spread the word.